Obviously in DeFi right now, risk is ever present and it needs to be monitored as well. So let's consider a scenario where we see an exploit on a BTC wrapper here within the USDC vault. Let's say it's in the USDC vault on base, bridge exploit or something like that. So what happens in these instances? When we see a risk event happen on chain, this smooth price chart ends up actually taking a very steep drawdown into the unprofitable zone of liquidation. What that means is that the funds lent out to this collateral asset have a low probability of being repaid or liquidated because the liquidation itself is no longer profitable. What this means is generally the vault and the users will begin withdrawing from this vault. And while we end up seeing withdrawals from the ETH and staked USD market coming out smoothly, the funds in the BTC market end up getting stuck. What this means is for users who withdraw quickly, they may be able to get their position out, but that means that the exposure to the toxic position ends up increasing in concentration over time. Now, when we're allocated across multiple vaults, we have exposure to multiple markets. But what gtUSDa is able to do, let's say again that this USDC vault is the one where we've seen the risk event, we're able to proactively identify these exploits on chain and withdraw as soon as possible. What this means is as we're able to transition the entire strategy to exiting positions, we're able to take advantage of liquidity as it becomes available, and we're able to automatically do that until the entire position is closed.